Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another brand new Android Studio tutorial, and today in this video I will show you how to integrate AdMob Rewarded video ad into our Android application. So in the last few tutorials we have learned about integrating AdMob banner ads, AdMob native ads, then AdMob interstitial ad, and finally this is going to be the last tutorial in this session regarding AdMob ads integration. Within this time we have covered all these things, and now we have a little bit idea about how to just handle the AdMob website and just create a new ad unit and then finally integrating into our Android apps. So as long as you can keep attention for this video for a couple of time, I will show you how to integrate the AdMob rewarded ad. So talking about the rewarded ad, setting up the rewarded ad is not the same way that we have done all other ads. So actually the AdMob website didn't offer the rewarded ad, and the only thing that AdMob support is that they will give you the facility to add that ads into your Android application. So we have to divide this video into three different categories. So one is the mediate, and the second one is AdMob, and the third one is Android Studio. So in the part of mediate, it is actually simply discussing about the mediate. It is simply that getting the ads from the mediate's websites. So AdMob doesn't offer the rewarded video ads. So that means you will have to get any third-party publishers for your rewarded ad, and they will give you the ads, and using that SDK you can just link it with the AdMob site, and once you have linked it, you will be getting, as usual, you will be getting the application ID and the ad unit ID. So with that ad unit ID, we are going to use it inside the Android Studio and converting that ad into an Android application. I'll be also adding the link below this video for getting the best mediate website. You can check the description of this video. So in this video I will be showing you that how to create a rewarded video ad unit inside the AdMob website, and then we will be integrating that into our Android application. So first of all, we have to open the AdMob website, and here it is, apps.admob.com. Just simply sign in or sign up. And now what we have to do is click on the apps, and if you haven't created the app, you can just create it using the add app button. And once you create it, you can open the created app. So we have the AdMob ads, opening that, and from here we have to click on the add units, and now click on the add units to create a new ad unit. From this window we have completed the banner, interstitial and native ad, and now we are discussing about the rewarded video ad, and selecting that one. Now you can give the amount. So the places we use is the rewarded video ad is that if you're just creating a game, and if your game have some kind of coins or what we say gems and some other things, and if the user completed the gems or the coins, then the only way to get the coins is just by watching the rewarded video ads. In that cases you can use the rewarded ad. So we are in the AdMob website for creating the rewarded video. So first what we have to do is that we can see here is the rewarded settings, which says that rewarded amount, and the amount is what it's going to be like, how much you are going to offer the user after just completing the rewarded video. So it doesn't matter what you just actually give it. So I want to give it as 10, and this is going to be the number of gems or whatever else it is. And also you can just name the reward as coins. I just want to name it as coins. Okay, now if you want, you can also just create the impressions, and the impression is actually going to be like how much ads to be displayed within this minute. And yeah, once you have done, you can just give the name for the ad unit. I just want to give it as reward underscore ad, and clicking the cell, maybe removing this underscore, clicking the cell. And now we have the app ID and the ad unit ID, and we have to copy the both of things. And once you're done, just click in the apply. So once that's done, I'm just minimizing the browser and going to the Android Studio, and we have a sample app. I just created a project with the name rewarded ad, and what I'm going to do is that simply just adding a button to display the rewarded ad. So in case of the rewarded ad, we are going to display the ad only when the button or something is pressed, but we will be loading the rewarded ad once the application is just opened. So likewise, what we have to do is that I'm going to add a button into it, and here it is a button. I'm going to replace this layout into relative layout. Okay, so now we have a button inside the relative layout. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to move it into the center. So Android center horizontal true, Android center vertical true, and I just want to replace the button with something like get coins. Okay, so it is get coins, and once the user press this button, it will be going to just show the rewarded ad. Okay, so we have it is something like this. Now what we are going to do is that we have to just simply display the total number of coins he earned, and yeah, so text view, I want to just show that it has. Okay, so I have added some other customization to this button and this text view, and now it looks like something like this. And now currently the coin is 0, and when the user press the button, it will be just going to display the rewarded video, and once the video has been completed, he will be getting some number of coins. So the layout part is almost complete. Now we have to just get the reference of this text view and this button inside the main activity, which we are going to do in the next tutorial. And I think that it's better for better understanding. We have to split into 2 different tutorials so that we can explain it a little bit in detail. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And we are almost complete the AdMob session. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.